WIXX interrupts this station for a severe thunderstorm warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service office in Green Bay, Wisconsin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for people in central Marinette and northern Oconto counties until 11:30 a.m. At 10:42 a.m., radar indicated a thunderstorm located 12 miles east of McAllen Mountain Natural Area, or 32 miles northwest of Menominee. Another severe storm was located around 5 miles southeast of Langley. Both storms are moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards for the storm include half-dollar-sized hail, and this is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: damage to vehicles. Locations impacted in the storm are Crivets Mountain, Osaki, Bear Paw Scout Camp, Mill Inlet, Lakewood, Amberg, Athelstein, Hewitt Lake Campground, and Crane Falls Res. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People that are outdoors should move immediately to a shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. People on or near Lake Michigan or in campgrounds should seek shelter until these storms pass. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued by the National Weather Service until 11:30 a.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Marinette and northern Oconto.
Well, if you're wondering what's happened.